Are you looking to get rid of those excess belly fat lying around your belly? Well, look no further, because in today's video, I will be sharing with you a very delicious banana shake guaranteed to help you lose 10 pounds in 1 week. Yes, you heard me right, 10 pounds in 1 week. Now, if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching.
All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love?
Hello lovelies, welcome back to Uzzielle TV. I hope you guys are doing great. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the kitchen, where I share with you the ingredients needed for this miracle banana drink that promises to melt belly fat like crazy. This banana drink involves just 6 ingredients. All the ingredients can be found in the kitchen, and it literally takes less than 5 minutes to make. Now, the first ingredient is 1 chopped apple. Apples are packed full with healthy flavonoids and are rich in fiber, which aids to burn belly fat. They are particularly rich in pectin fiber, which helps the body break down slowly, thereby keeping you satiated longer. The next ingredient is 1 orange. Oranges are good sources of fiber, vitamin C, and also a powerful antioxidant, which helps in burning fat rapidly. The next ingredient is 1 finger of banana. Bananas help to reduce bloating, controls appetite, and also a good substitute for processed sugars. Bananas are also full of fiber, magnesium, and potassium, which are all important factors for weight loss. The next ingredient is 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is low in calories and can help boost your metabolism. It is also a good source of calcium, packed full with antioxidants, and great for your heart health. If you do not have almond milk, you can substitute it with same measurement of water. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon or lime juice. Lemon juice is very rich in vitamin C, supports collagen production, which is necessary for skin elasticity and skin health. And the final ingredient for today is 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which provides additional help when it comes to losing weight. Now that we've identified all the ingredients needed for this recipe, go ahead and chop them up and toss into your blender with the rest of the ingredients. Blend everything smoothly to your desired consistency. You can also add a few ice cubes if you wish for that extra deliciousness. Let's talk about the dosage for this recipe. For the duration you are on this program, it is highly recommended you skip breakfast in place of this shake. This drink is already packed full with the required nutrients your body needs in the morning to function throughout the day. But of course, feel free to make healthy food choices for the rest of the day. And if you can, incorporate a little exercise at least 3 times in a week. Okay lovelies, I do have other weight loss recipes on the channel if you're willing to check them out. And until I come your way next time, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye for now.
Till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love?